Imagine generating an engineering model like this in seconds instead of spending time creating it manually, or converting CAD files automatically using Python, or creating hundreds of design variants with just a few lines of code. That's exactly what we are going to learn in this free CAD Python scripting series. Hello everyone, welcome to the series. And my name is Meet, and in this series we'll learn how to automate CAD tasks using Python inside FreeCAD. This series is especially useful for mechanical engineers, CAD designers, and engineering students, and anyone interested in engineering automation. We'll learn from absolute basics and gradually move towards real engineering applications. Most engineers use CAD software manually. We create sketches manually, we create features manually, we modify dimension manually, but many repetitive tasks can actually be automated. For example, instead of creating 10 different design variants one by one, we can write a script that generates all 10 automatically. For this series, there are only few areas we need to understand initially. The first is the 3D viewport, where we can see our models. The second one is our tree model, which contains all the objects in the document. And finally, our Python console and macro editor, where we'll write and execute our scripts. Don't worry about the rest of the interface for now. We'll learn additional tools as we need them. Let's write our first FreeCAD script. First type import FreeCAD. The first line imports FreeCAD module, and the second line is import part. The second line imports the part module which contains geometric creation tools. In the next line, we are creating a new document. So document is equal to FreeCAD.new document. In parentheses, we'll write the name we would like to give to our new document. And you can see that, as you can see, the new document named my first document has been created. Inside this document, we would like to make our box. So let's type box is equal to part dot make box. Inside parenthesis, we'll give the dimension of 10 by 10 by 10. So 10, 10, 10. This creates the box with dimension of 10 by 10 by 10. As you can see on our screen, there is no box yet to be seen. So this is an important lesson that when we enter part.makeBox command, the geometry is created in memory. So we'll write the next line that will show us the geometry in our document. As you can see, we have the box right now on our screen of dimension 10 by 10 by 10. Now let's write the same script using macro editor. We use macro editor instead of a Python console when we need to write multi-line scripts that we want to save, reuse, and automate. We can execute our script by going into macro menu, execute macro. So instead of manually creating a cube, we generated it directly through code. Now let's make a small modification. Let's change the dimension of our box and recompute this whole model. Notice how the geometry changes immediately. This is one of the biggest advantages of scripting. We are no longer manually drawing geometry. We are defining geometry using parameters. In the upcoming videos, we'll learn how to create cylinders, spheres, and more complex geometries. We'll learn translation, rotation, and Boolean operation. We'll automate that task, we'll build engineering utilities, and we'll create tools such as CAD file converters and parametric generator. By the end of the series, you'll have a solid foundation in FreeCAD automation using Python. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing and following the series. In the next video, we'll understand how FreeCAD documents and objects work, and which is one of the most important concepts in FreeCAD scripting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.